Hey, and welcome back to Northern Chris. This is a quick tutorial on how you can change your Ford emblem on an F-150 in under 3 minutes. All you need is a 10 mil socket, a rag, and some cleaner. So those tabs broke off because they were plastic and brittle. As you can see, the logo is wiggling. It's all faded. So I had to unscrew the emblem to actually get it off the grill. So once I figured that out, I just spun it a few more times. I didn't want to break it because I wanted to keep this to put on my wall. And there we go. So now that the emblem's off, I just have some household cleaner, just spraying to clean up the plastic. Sometimes there's adhesive on the back of an old emblem. In my case, there wasn't anything. So just make sure you clean it very well. Once it's all cleaned, you can take your new emblem, remove the protective backing. As you can see, it's just 3M sticky tape. And with that, there's 3 plastic tabs. You just have to line up the holes to make sure it's centered on the grill. Just wanted to double check. Once it's lined up, you can push it into place. And just keep pressing it so that adhesive sticks to the plastic. And then from the back side, you can put on the 10 mil nut on those 2 plastic tabs. There's no threads, so you do have to create your own. Don't over tighten them because they will break very easily because they are just plastic. So give it a few turns to keep it tight. And there it is, the 2 nuts installed. Take off the plastic protective layer, and you're done. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Northern Chris.